Acne affects up to 80% of adolescents. Often it's just a few spots which soon clear up, but for many people, acne can be a more persistent and confidence-shattering problem. Traditionally, treatments have been sticky creams or prescription drugs, but now there's a more natural way to treat acne with Lumi Clear. Created by Lumi, the Cambridge-based light therapy specialist, Lumi Clear is a totally safe, painless and side-effect-free treatment that uses special LED lights proven to be effective in treating acne. This stylish, easy-to-use device can either be held directly against affected areas for an intensive treatment, or it can be placed in its cradle and used at a distance to treat a wider area, such as your back or shoulders.
When it comes to red and blue LED light therapy for acne, there's no question that this is a safe treatment. Red light has been shown to decrease inflammation, and blue light has been shown to kill bacteria, both of which are very important in the pathogenesis of acne. And what the scientific literature shows is that if you use red and blue light together, they work better than either alone. The clinical trials have shown that most patients will expect improvement within the first 4 weeks in the degree of inflammation with their acne. Now, after 3 months, the average patient could expect an improvement of up to 76% in their acne. One of the great things about this treatment is that it's safe to use on its own, but can also be used in conjunction with other medical treatments.
Hi, I'm Sally Hubble. I've suffered from acne for about 2 years now, since the birth of my second child. It makes you feel quite depressed at times. I've tried several different products, skincare-wise, none of which have really helped. I've got into the habit of using it every evening before I go to bed. It takes 15 minutes, so I just plug myself in, use it for 15 minutes before I go to bed, and it's so straightforward and simple to use. I have noticed results in the 5 weeks I've been using it, fairly recently, if I'm honest, sort of within the last week and a half. I've only been using it on my forehead, which is where my main problem was. I had sort of raised red bumps all over my forehead, and the redness has definitely reduced.
My name is Laura, and I am from Georgia in the United States. I've lived in England for 8 years. I was in sales, and I also was a fundraiser for charities. So I had lots of opportunities to be in front of people. I did lots of presentations, lots of face-to-face meetings, and my acne made me very self-conscious. I wanted to try Lumi Clear because I had been on antibiotics and I had used Retin-A, which was very abrasive, and I didn't want to experience the side effects of either anymore. I wanted to try something that was natural, something that I wasn't ingesting into my body. After about 3 or 4 weeks of using Lumi Clear, I had a reduction in redness, and then after about 3 months, I noticed a reduction in overall spots on my face. Using Lumi Clear and getting rid of some of my spots has definitely improved my self-confidence.
At last, a handy, simple and side-effect-free treatment for acne from Lumi, the leading specialists in light therapy.